Okay. We'll do an easy one. I hope, anyway. Where are we? This is a false squirrel brush. Now we'll dry it off now. We don't need much in the sky. Keep it very light. A bit of alizarin in your blue. So if we have it to what, about here? You listen till. And I'll just blend it out a little bit. There we are, that makes it easier, doesn't it, to do that. Now we can dry that off. The old dirt dry. It shouldn't take long when you're doing it like I'm doing it now. Can you see it's an easy way of thinking, but it will. Because of the age I am, and I've been doing it that many years. They're not all the same. Over the years I've changed. You don't spend as much time now, do we, when you're getting on? What was I going to do now? Oh, I think I was going to let me put a nice little cottage in. Do you know something? That what happens is it looks pretty strong when you put it on, but then afterwards it seems to go lighter. So probably what we can do is, you know, put some this is a flat, just a flat brush, but it's acting a bit chisel-edged, isn't it, for me? You know, which you can do with it. See, you've got there, you've got it in a nice position. It's in the right position inside of the across the way here. So now we can take us a bit of like bit of brown, let down with plenty of water. I'll put some on there, although I shouldn't need it there, should it? Oh, what, go on. We're not that keen, are we? And now I'm using a bit of Windsor lemon here, and I'll put a bit of Payne's grey with it, because that Windsor yellow and a bit of Payne's grey makes a lovely green, a beautiful green. But you have to tone it down a little bit. I'm making a bit more. I'm just making enough for a wash across there, you know. So like a bit of Windsor. Yellow and a bit of blue. Ultramarine, makes a lovely colour. Just tone it down. Just making sure I've enough. So I'm up to there now, so I must have enough for life. Just get this on. And that'll be. I'll put a little bit of darker colour in it, I think, just for a change. I'll not mess about, I'll get it done quick. Now that's pretty quick, isn't it? Now, this I'm getting some burnt umber now, but it has a ready cast with it. Winsor & Newton's, you know. So we'll just put a little bit of Payne's grey into it. What are we up to? Oh, put a bit of Payne's grey into it. And we'll, I think we'll just throw some trees on. Let's think. That'll be all right. It's, I think myself, there's different kinds of lemon, you know. I think Windsor's a decent one. We're not that bothered about perfection, but I think it's near enough. Blend it out with a bit of brown or something. You don't need to stick with the same colour. Now that's a different colour tree, isn't it, you see? What, I mean, let's face it, this is what happens in life. You do get different coloured trees. Now I'm going to try and make that a little bit reddish. How can you see? Like that. Now that's, we'll put a little, wait a minute, that wants a bit of colour in it, doesn't it, that one? On that, there. Now let's get some of that green we've been mixing, and we'll just put some, we'll not go to town. I think I can overdo it if you're not careful. This is Van Dyke, a bit of Van Dyke. A bit of Dick Van Dyke. There's probably just a dark in it. Oh no. I'm going to put a line there. put that little bit there. Thanks for looking in. A simple, easy one. Thank you for looking in. Bye bye for now. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit.